Okay guys, so now we are going to learn about comments in Java. Very short and simple module, this one. So let's just create a project called comments. And if you haven't already installed IntelliJ as well as Java 21, please do go back to my previous tutorial in this series. Let's create that project. And all we're going to do is just go through how to write comments in Java. Fairly simple. So this is our generated code. Let's just create some space here and write some comments. So a comment in Java is essentially a piece of text that we can make whatever we want that is designed for us to have commentary on our code, to explain things in plain English without, getting errors everywhere, right? Because we can't obviously write this is doing that or whatever, because that won't compile. So comments are not compiled lines of code. You can write whatever gibberish you want in a comment. You write a Java comment by going // 2 forward slashes. Make sure there's no spaces or anything like that. 2 forward slashes. That's how you write a one-liner comment. Now, there are ways to write a comment that spans multiple lines. So you do this by going / space / to close it. And you can just press enter between here, and you can write your multi-line comment. You can write your essay here, however you want. So, some multi-lines are great if you want to explain something in detail. Sometimes one-liners are great to just comment, certain lines of code. Like, for example, here we are printing super complex. So that's the general gist of comments. We can also put comments, next to code, to the left of code. We can also put comments below code as well, but obviously we can't put comments in front of code, at least these one-liner / ones, because that will comment out the rest of the line. However, what we could do is we could do a multi-line comment before the line of code, and then that way it will close so that then this becomes a valid line of code. Let's just run this by going to either right click or run, or you can press anywhere that has that run button. And as you can see, the code does what it does, saying hello world. What's in the comments totally does not matter at all. So that is how you write comments in Java. Hopefully that was fairly self-explanatory. Comments can go anywhere in the file as well. So yeah. See you guys.